What's up? It's your favorite attorney. Court is now in session. You already know how it works. I bring to the court of my public opinion. You write me. I let you know what's going on, okay? And I rule, okay? Without further ado, they wrote me and they said, can a stepmother have the right to strip search my 16-year-old daughter? My daughter and son live at the moment with their biological father and his younger girls. She's mature enough to have a phone in his eyes. She does have a phone that I bought her for her birthday coming up. She wanted to take it to his father's for the weekend. He claimed during my summer visit that she couldn't have it. The stepmother told her she was going to start strip searching her when she comes from my home during these visits. She isn't allowed to have a phone there by their words. I'm really not sure about what I should do. They took her door away as well. Her door's been off of her room for 5 months now. She doesn't do drugs. She's a straight-A student, and she has a lot of dreams. She's in the National Honor Society. She's a really great kid, well, at least with me and the other family. She isn't allowed to spend the night with the other children. He yells at her and he calls her the N-word, and she's a white female. He is a white male. I have so many questions about what's going on, but yes, I'm a low-income mother that just needs some legal advice. What can I do, and what should I do? Okay, honey. First of all, if somebody's being strip searched, okay, and she's looking at her body parts, somebody may need to be calling CPS, okay? Because first of all, that's disgusting and nasty for you to be strip searching a 16-year-old, looking at her private parts and looking at her naked in an effort to ascertain whether or not she has a phone in your home. First of all. Second of all, any property that a child has is their own property. A parent does have the right to make their own rules and to take a phone away from a child. However, the law says that if that is that child's property, a parent cannot take that. So if somebody else has bought that property, a parent cannot take that phone from them. I hate to tell you. So no, he's not allowed to take the phone from her. The police may need to be called. And I'm going to say it again. Strip searches of children, you got to be careful when you're doing stuff like that, because if the child doesn't want you looking at them naked and you're doing that, and you can't prove that you're doing it for a very good reason, that's on the gray area of a sexual encounter with a child. If you're not allowed to see children naked and send that along to other people in a text message, then you're not allowed to view it yourself. It's almost like child pornography. And if I was this stepmother, I would stop it right now. And ma'am, you need to call the police. You need to call CPS. This child needs to make an outcry, because if she is being made to strip naked for her stepmother, that is disgusting, and I cannot believe that it's going on. In addition to that, you need to file a modification for the child support order. It's very well may be that they don't need custody of this child. That is disgusting and disrespectful, and for them to do that to her over a cell phone bought by you, I don't appreciate it. The right thing for them to do will be to take this to the family court and let the family judge decide whether or not that phone is allowed to be had in their home. But as far as the Texas Penal Code is concerned, you're in Texas and I'm in Texas, that's some nasty stuff. And she can keep that phone as long as it is her property. They did not buy it, therefore they don't have the right to destroy it or to take it away. That the police will tell you. You need to do a welfare check as well. And again, police need to be called if this is something that she's not comfortable with and she's being strip searched. She's not at a jail. She's at her home. And this is not her parent that is strip searching her. Orders need to be put in place. I'm ruling on this case that they are nasty, that they are disgusting, that something needs to be done to them for putting their eyes on a 16-year-old girl who has a lot of things that she needs to be hiding over a cell phone. And I'm going to also rule that we need to see exactly what type of home they have. Because at the end of the day, orders need to be put in place to protect this girl. That's absolutely disgusting. Next case.
Sitting here behind these walls, think it's time I made that call. I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? I called Booker Law Firm, they got the job done. They were right there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225 or visit the website at bookerlawfirm.com.